Podtatrzański Trench, Polish, Rów Podtatrzański, Slovakian, Podtatranská brázda, 514.14, a mesoregion located below the Tatra Mountains, part of the Orava-Podhale Depression. The trench divides the Choč and Tatra Mountains from the Spisko-Gubałowski Plateau.The region is located between 700 and 1000 m.a.s.l, formed from Eocene marlstone slates, Podhalański Flysch. In Poland, the area has a total length of 20 kilometers and a total surface area of 130 square kilometers. The regional valleyss incline in the north, covered with alluvial fans, formed via upper-course river flow. The Zakopane Valley has 3 gravel topsoil coverings from 3 separate glacial periods. The western part and eastern borderlands of the Podtatranská Trench are forested. The main brooks that drain through the valley are the Czarny Dunajec, as well as the Zakopianka and Poroniec, sourced from the Biały Dunajec. The region is characterized by the settlement areas of Zakopane, as well as Kościelisko, Małe Ciche and Murzasichle. See also Zakopane, Tatra Mountains. References